So today we have, from Aliens, Private Ricco Frost. So overall, I really like the facial detail on him. The skin color is not kind of patchy and weird like the Hicks figure was. You can see on the back it says, "One universe, ride or die. Something forever." I'm not gonna try to pronounce that. And his tracker motion detector thing is actually broken. The cord should be attached like this. Overall, his fatigues are nice. They're textured nicely. Don't know much about him, so there's not much like...
Not much to know about him.
Well, there's not much of like the...
desire, the interest.
Yeah, interest in the character itself. But as a Marine, it's great to have more of them.
Yeah.
And he's really nice, honestly. I really like the face sculpt. It's not weird. He doesn't have those weird red, like pink ears like they did to Hicks. That was weird.
One thing I noticed is that it kind of looks like his head is hunched forward. Mm-hmm. And that's
I think it's supposed to look like he's sneaking around.
Yeah. Other thing is, joints, most of them are really stiff, like stiffer than I would like. And a couple of them, like the one ankle is kind of loose. I've noticed after we did the other Marine figures, they have one of their ankles is very loose. I think it's something with the mold or something that they use for the legs. I don't know. I mean, looks very nice as a Marine.
Definitely.
Yeah, the interest in the character itself isn't really there as much because, I mean, he's the first to die. Who the hell cares about the first to die in a horror film? Or an action film, or anything, for that matter. So.
All right.
I do like that he comes with a pistol sidearm. That's pretty cool, though.
He has a lot of accessories. Like, he's got the bag, and he's got the pistol, and he's got the flamethrower, and he's got the thing.
Light that everyone has that we need to fix. I mean, it's a nice figure. I like the idea of getting, like, an entire platoon of colonial Marines, but yeah.
Well, we hope you enjoyed, and let us know what you'd like to see from us next. Have a very wonderful day, and
bye. I don't know what else you want me to say, so I'm saying bye.
Bye.